Alright then, so in this video I'd just like to take a couple of minutes to explain exactly what this hash symbol is there for, which Vue.js places in all of our different routes. If we go to the About page, it's there at the start. Profile page, it's there. Home, it's there. But why is it there exactly? Well, to explain this, I want to explain something else first of all. If we go to a website and then say /home and press enter, what's happening? Well, we're making a request to the server, and the server is looking at that request and saying, okay, well, I need to send a home page to the browser. If we go to /about, it's doing the same thing. It's making a request to the server. The server's looking at this and saying, I'll send an about page. Now, when we're using Vue.js on the front end, we don't want to be sending these requests to the server all the time. We want Vue.js to take care of all of the routing for us. So this is the reason that Vue adds in this little hash symbol, because that prevents us making an additional request to the server. Okay, so if we say hash and then about, it prevents that request, okay, because this doesn't send a request to a server. Then Vue.js looks at this URL and says, okay, I'll handle this route and I'll send you the about component. Okay, so that's why it's there. Now, it's not great looking. If you deploy an app, then ideally you don't want this hash symbol inside the URL. So how do we circumnavigate it? Well, very easily. All we need to do is go to our index.js file inside the router folder there, and we need to add on a property to this router instance. This property is called mode, and we'll change that mode to history, like so, in quotations. So if we save this now and view this in a browser, then if we go to just /about, then we see the about page. If we go to just /, we get the home page. And if we go to a profile, now we just get the profile page without the hash inside it. So this is all working. That's brilliant, but there's a problem. If we were to upload this to a server, we'd also have to make some server configuration for this to work. Now, it's okay when we're doing it locally because the local development server is configured for this to work, but not automatically when you deploy it to another server. So when we deploy an application to Firebase later, a lot of the work is done for us, and I'll show you exactly how that's done. So don't worry too much about this for now. I just wanted to show you what that hash symbol was all about and how we can circumnavigate it and get rid of it while we're developing locally.